Welcome to Fun Quiz Tools. Today, we will explore the mysterious language and unique communication of animals through interesting and challenging quizzes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to decode more fascinating natural secrets. What is the dog wagging its tail trying to say? A. Happy. A cat flattened its ears and let out a low growl. What was this cat trying to say? A. Threat. What does it mean when an elephant uses its trunk to touch another elephant? C. Expressing comfort. A pod of dolphins makes a continuous click-click sound. What are the dolphins doing? A. Search for food. A seal is making a sound that sounds like a cry. What is this seal trying to do? A. Calling for mother. What is the purpose of a hummingbird flying around flowers and making sounds? A. Displaying territory. What does it mean when a penguin bows its head and rubs its beak against another penguin? B. Show affection. What does goldfish sound in water mean? C. Communicating with other fish. What does an owl shaking its head continuously mean? C. Looking more closely. What is the purpose of a wolf howling when standing alone? C. Calling to its own kind. What does a cat with its tail raised upright mean? C. Friendly, greeting. What is the purpose of a butterfly flapping its wings strongly near a flower? A. Territorial warning. What is the purpose of two ants touching their antennae? C. Share information about food. What is the purpose of a bighorn bull stomping its feet on the ground? C. Warning of danger. What is the purpose of a frog puffing out its throat and making a loud croaking sound? B. Call mate. Thank you for watching the video. Leave a comment and see how many movie names you can answer. Don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more interesting new videos.